What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you a hunt that I actually had 2 weeks ago now on opening day in PA. It was an evening hunt and I ended up seeing quite a bit of deer, but I never got to making the video because I was just making other videos and just kind of left this one and completely forgot about it, to be honest. But I was looking back and realized I forgot to put it out, so hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you're getting out there for the last couple days of deer season. Well, it's the afternoon of opening day. Just got set up to my spot. I'm doing a hanging hunt, so I hiked quite a bit up this hill, and it's kind of a lot thicker up here than what I thought when I was on the ground, so can't really see super far, but I'm thinking that with all the pressure from opening day this morning, I think that there should be some deer in here, so hopefully there's a mature buck. I know it's really thick, so I won't be able to shoot far, but just sit back. Got a pretty good wind. And it's been windy all day, so I think I got in here without spooking anything. So as long as my wind keeps hitting me in the face, I think we'll see some deer tonight. Well, I just had a ton of deer come running by me, and one of them was a buck. I couldn't tell how big. It's so thick off to my right shoulder here, and they just came running through. I'm assuming got spooked. One of the first deer was a buck, and I just saw antlers, so I don't know if it was big or what it was, but then about, I don't know how many doe there were, came walking in a line down over the hill, and then a mother and fawn just came back up over that hill right by me. they're out moving around. They're getting pushed around, and a little Spike was with them too, so it's super thick, and I'm thinking they like to bed over here, so my wind is not what I want it to be right now. It's kind of blowing almost out in front of me, so it's not really what I want, but hopefully by the time something winds me, I could get a shot off at it. That's going to wrap up my afternoon hunt for opening day here in PA. I saw quite a bit of deer actually, but nothing later on toward dark, so there's still legal shoot time right now, but I want to get down and be able to walk out in the light, so thanks for sticking along, and we'll be back at it again tomorrow.